Welcome guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can perform the soft reset of your JBL Charge Essential. So as you can see in my case, I'm connected with my speaker, and for example, if you have any problem, like for example your speaker is not working properly, making a strange sound, you can try to make a soft reset without restoring the default settings. So you have to click and hold this power button for a few seconds. Let's make it right now. Right now, as you can see, the speaker is turned off, and then just click and hold one more time for a few seconds. Right now, release, and as you can see, we are connected back. So if it is not working, you can try to make a hard reset and fix the problem that you have with your speaker. And this video you will also find on our YouTube channel. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.